What's up guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to add green screen footage to your video using your smartphone. For this tutorial I'll be using a video we made with our mobile camera and a video we got from YouTube, that is the green screen.
Then click on new project, then import your raw file, that is your video that you recorded. Then the next thing to do is to add your footage, that is the green screen footage, as overlay. Add this as overlay. Then the next thing to do is to position it. So you position it where you want it to be. You can see, taking my own up. So after that, you click on the overlay, click on it, then you look for remove background, this remove BG, then you click on chroma key, you pick your color, that is green. As you can see some shadows of green around it. You increase your intensity, you increase your shadow. Okay, then as you can still see green stops there. The next thing to do, tap on your overlay, go to adjustment, go to HSL, tap on green, reduce the saturation. That's all.
You can adjust the color of the video to your taste, then you export your video. Okay, once you are done, your video should look like this.